Okay, foodies, today, guess what we're making? Little baby chicks. Look at them, they dance nice. Look at this. Dancy, little chickies. Okay, these are Cornish game hens I'm making today, and I'm going to do them not in the oven at 450, like I normally do, but I'm going to do them in the slow cooker over here, 4 hours on high or 8 hours on low, okay? And these are really easy to do. All you need to do is grab a hold of your little chick here and get some lemon in there. I'm going to put 3 or 4 little wedges in there, just like that, and then get them into your slow cooker. And the same thing with the other one. Okay, and then what we're going to do after we get them in there like this is we are going to get some olive oil on it, or if you don't like olive oil, okay, you can use butter. All right, olive oil or butter, it doesn't make any difference. So now I've got about 1.5 cups of broth in there. So you can use water, broth, or wine, whichever you like, a mix of all of it. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to get some olive oil on our little chicks. Here we go, just like that. Little olive oil, because I'm not putting butter. And now I'm going to go with some salt and a little pepper. All right, so we have a little salt and pepper. Okay, and then I'm going to go with some garlic, some thyme, and a little oregano right on top, just shovel it right on top like that. It just goes right on top, perfect, all on top. And last, rosemary. We're gonna make beautiful, delicious rosemary right on top, just like that. It doesn't really need anything else. If you like, you can put a little paprika on top. And I'm going to do that. It'll give just a little color, just a little color. There we go. Okay, so there we have it. We're going to close the lid and cook these little babies and make an elegant evening meal. Do this for your family. It's so easy. You go to the freezer department in the store and you find these little chicks and you get them. Put them in the oven at 450. Or do it this way, where you don't have to worry about it for 4 hours on high or 8 hours on low, and the meat will fall off the bones. Do it with a vegetable, do it with some stuffing, do it with some rice. Just do it, okay? We do things here. We don't sit down and buy frozen food. It's too expensive. Cook it yourself and eat and enjoy with your family. So there we have it. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Everybody else is doing it now. And if you haven't turned on the reminders in YouTube, turn it on so you know what we put new videos up. Videos come up every couple of days, and it'll remind you to watch Happy Chef Pete. That's who I am. And Anthony is my partner in crime. And here we are making videotapes for all of you. So there we go. This is Peter Carpitos, as always, saying out.